Okay, we're doing a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, this field is 5-6 feet tall. Thistle is just now starting to go to seed. Didn't get to it soon enough. This side we mowed, and then that half of the field we're going to roll with a cultipacker. We'll spray the whole thing so it's all the same, and then in 3 weeks we'll see what the difference is between rolling and spraying and mowing and spraying. Now normally I would want to mow a field, let it come up again, then spray it. The problem is that there's time constraints with this landowner. He just can't get up here all the time when you need to. Obviously, you can see what happened here. So need to get this field ready for the fall. We'll probably spray it and then spray it again just before we plant something in here.